Hello, friends. Market update for Bitcoin, May 29th, 2021, 8:46 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. We see right now, and over the last few days, Bitcoin has tested this 35,500 range and basically been rejected 2 days in a row, and we traded as low as $33,423.14. And today it opened at $34,774.86 with not much range to the candle at the moment. And at the moment, you can see that the body of this bearish candle from Saturday Eastern Standard Time is a little bit bigger than this bullish candle. And you might have just seen it moving. Now, this candle that we're looking at here is for Sunday Eastern Standard Time, still Saturday over here in Hawaii. So we'll see how it looks. But at the moment, looking at the candles for Bitcoin, it looks as if it's building, if it may have found a bottom. It definitely at the moment is not looking bearish to break out, not looking bullish enough to break this $40,000 mark. Tested here, you can see that this level here now, which would be a high in this area. Now we have a lower high, seemingly lower high. We'll see how this candle closes. And we also seem to be kind of bottoming here. Depending on what your perspective is and how you're attempting to trade Bitcoin would, I think, make a difference and ultimately define whether we're seeing something bearish or bullish with the price action in the immediate moment. Something else I want to draw your attention to is this was the high around right under 65,000. So from here, from this point down to this point, which is roughly where we're at now, 35,000, right? Let's say from here to here, pardon me. So this is 0. We'll say this is 100, right? Is a percentage because it started here and it dropped down here. And right now, as far as from this movement down to here, we're trading in the bottom 25% of that movement. Does that make sense? Right? The movement started here. It started here, dropped all the way down to here, right? So out of from here to here, that distance, if we look at it in a percentage wise, that is 100% of that movement. And what percentage is the price action trading in lately of that movement from its high to where it's currently at? It's in the bottom kind of 25% at the moment, the bottom 10%. My point with this is regarding this high that we've seen around 65,000. The longer the price action stays in the low area of that, I think it gives some credibility to people that are saying that they think that there's going to be more negative prices to come in. That's not necessarily my opinion, because we do see a bit of a bottoming here. But it seems like around this 40,000 mark, Bitcoin tries to rally up and hit it, and then sellers come in and just drive it back down. So far, enough buying has come in to keep it to keep bringing it back above the 35,000 mark. However, this is not a good sign here as far as for the bulls, being that this was a high. This basically, as far as candles closing, was the next high, and we really got to see where this candle is going to close. I don't have a personal opinion on it other than just watching this price action. There's fundamental cases that I see negative. There's fundamental cases that I see positive, and luckily for me, I don't trade or invest in Bitcoin, so I'm just having a lot of fun watching the price action. So depending on what strategy that you're attempting to implement on Bitcoin, you can use this information in different ways. Obviously, you might already have a position in Bitcoin. You might be looking to get a position in Bitcoin. You know, there's all different types of things out there. So just to kind of in a generalization say Bitcoin is going to do this or that, you know, how do you take that information, if someone says that and you agree with it, how do you take that information and apply it into your own specific situation? But over here at Trading Investing Strategies, that's what we're all about. We're all about attempting to help you have the insight into looking at your specific situation and looking at these financial charts, different strategies to approach the different assets, to implement strategies that work for your specific situation. If you want some particular help with any aspect of this, hit the like button for me on this video. Send me a message. Let's have a chat and see if there's a way that we can have some sort of synergies, possibly work together. In the meantime, let's keep watching to see what Bitcoin is going to do, my friends. You guys have a fantastic night.